Today we learn sentences. First one is blackboard. Blackboard is also known as chalkboard. Blackboard is also known as chalkboard. Second one is clothes. We can wear clothes. We can wear clothes. Third one is chalk. Teacher write our homework on blackboard with chalk. Teacher write our homework on blackboard with chalk. Fourth one is bag. We can carry many things in our bag. We can carry many things in our bag. Fifth one is road. We can drive on road. We can drive on road. Sixth one is animals. Animals can live in forest. Seventh one is ice cream. We can eat ice cream. We can eat ice cream. Eighth one is bird. Bird can fly in the sky. Bird can fly in the sky. Ninth one is telephone. We can use telephone for talking with another person. We can use telephone for talking with another person. Tenth one is bus. Bus helps us in